It's hard to overhype the blizzard of 1966. A nor'easter that roared up the coast at the end of January dumped a foot of snow from Virginia to Maine. It reached as far west as Ohio and Kentucky. Central New York received a 1-2 punch. First the nor'easter, then a massive lake-effect storm. It snowed nonstop in Syracuse for 37 hours. 3.5 feet of snow fell over 3 days. Temperatures plunged to a record 26 below zero. Winds hit 60 miles per hour in Syracuse. Schools were closed for a week. Factories shut down too. Economic losses were $5 million a day. 4 children died in a fire in Nedrow. Snow hampered efforts to reach them. 4 other people died of exposure. In Oswego, the storm was worse. More than 100 inches of snow fell. Winds gusted to 100 miles per hour. Snow drifted 2 stories high. The wind broke branches and knocked out power. A grocery store in Oswego burned to the ground. When it was all over, snowplows from at least 5 counties rolled in to help Central New York dig out.